Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JNTU Lab. In this video, we will be discussing how to set up the CodeIgniter 3 folder. If you are looking for a channel that provides easy to follow coding tutorials, you have come to the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Let's dive in and get started. At first, you need to download the CodeIgniter from their official website and extract the files from that folder. So once you extract your files, copy the files to your exam folder where you have installed and then navigate to the htdocs, create a folder of your name. Once you create it, paste all the files which you have extracted in that folder. Once you have pasted, open any text editing code. Here I will be using Visual Studio Code. I have opened the complete code here. Then on your XAMPP server, you need to on your Apache, and for SQL database you need to on your MySQL. Once it is on, just navigate to localhost / your folder name. Once you have entered it, you will get to see CodeIgniter welcome page. If you have seen this page, then you need to understand you have installed your CodeIgniter successfully. Now if you see, it is MV model view controller, MVC architecture CodeIgniter is all about. So you'll be seeing models, you will be seeing CodeIgniter controller file. So if I write another function or a controller, in controller if I write another function, and if I want to navigate it, like I have created an example like dashboard, and if I want to navigate it, now what to do? So if I open this thing, my folder name, then I write my controller name, and then if I type dashboard, it will show as nothing found. For this you need to create a file called htaccess file. This htaccess file will allow you to redirect you directly the controller name and your function name. Once it is written, then once you reload your URL, you can able to view it. So this is how you need to set up your CodeIgniter 3 folder. In rest upcoming videos, I will be telling you other functionalities of CodeIgniter or PHP codes. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn something in this, then please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.